Hi, students. So further, let us look at this particular phenomena, entrepreneurship and economic development in the nation. So far, we have understood the various facets of this particular domain, and here I have another three more video modules to explain exact role of entrepreneurship in economic development. So there are three, one, two, three, because this is the first one. I'm just going to explain three important issues, which are very pertinent as far as the impact of entrepreneur on the economic development is concerned. So from that perspective, so this model is all about understanding three important things here: the role of entrepreneurship in economic development. One, so in this, the first clip, we are just understanding the role of entrepreneurship in economic development in terms of the capital formation, employment creation, and a regional balance in development. So these are the three aspects I'm just going to discuss here. One is the capital formation, the second is employment creation, and the third one is the regional balance in the development. So these are the three important aspects. If you see it as a whole, the role of entrepreneurship in the economic development. So there are a couple of things that I want to discuss with you. It is something related to wealth creation and then sharing, right, for development of the human society as a whole, right. So then at the same time, the creating jobs, balance in the regional development, and GDP, and then per capita income, that is all about the nation's income development, and then standard of life of the people, and exports, and the community development, in this, because of entrepreneurs. So these are the main issues that I want to just show you in this slide. But there are a couple of other aspects as far as the impact of entrepreneurship is concerned in the economic development. So let me just explain you the first one, the promotion of the capital formation. So the promotion of the capital formation that happens, that is one of the major role of entrepreneurs in the economic development. So entrepreneurs, they promotes the capital formation by mobilizing the idle saving of the public, right? So you can see that is one important dimension. They employ their own as well as borrowed resources for setting up their enterprise. Such type of entrepreneurial activities leads to value addition and then creation of wealth. So which is very essential for the industrial and then economic development of the country, because they are just using the resources which are not used so far, and it's discovered certain new things, and out of their creativity and innovation, so they found the value of the resources and then use the resources, and then they created wealth out of it. So the wealth, the creation is automatically reflecting on the development of the industries as well as the economic growth in the country. So that is the one major role of the entrepreneur in the economic development. That is the promotion of capital formations. The second important thing is the creation of the larger scale of employment opportunities, because the entrepreneurs are very small, and then there are so many. And even if you just look at Pondicherry, the small, the tiny, MSME, the nearly 8,000 to 9,000 entrepreneurs are there in Pondicherry itself. You can see that much, the huge, the size is there in a small place like Pondicherry. But if you see that, as far as employment is concerned, entrepreneurs provides immediate larger scale employment to the unemployed, which is a kind of chronic problem of underdeveloped nations, right? So when you see that the developing and underdeveloped nations, so employment is the main issue. So unemployment is the problem. So if you just encourage a person who is actually seeking job, and then the same person is going to create employment for others, it is a multifold impact on the economy, right? With the setting up of the more and more units by enterprises, both on small and then larger scale numbers, job opportunities are created for others. No, as the time passes, these enterprises grow and provide direct and then indirect employment opportunities to many more. So in this way, entrepreneurs they play a very effective role in the reducing the problem of unemployment in the country, which is in turn clears the path towards economic development of the nation. So this is the main impact of the enterprise, no, entrepreneurial activities in the society. So the third one is all about no, the promotion of the balance, the regional the development. If you see that the entrepreneurs, the help no, to remove the regional disparities through setting up of the industries in less developed and then backward areas. The growth of the industries and then businesses in these areas lead to the larger number of the public the benefit like road transport, health, education, entertainment, etc. So setting up of the more industries leads to more development of the backward regions and then thereby the promotion the promotes the balanced regional development that happens in the undeveloped locations and the regions of the nations. So in that way, you can see that how no, entrepreneurs are contributing the overall development of the no, the nation by just spreading their activities across. So with this, let me stop here and then looking forward to meet you the second the set of aspects which reflects the economic development that happens because of the entrepreneurs. So that we are going to discuss in the video 28, and thank you very much.